Reiki is a beautiful form of energy healing, and I'm so excited to have Reiki Master Doris with me from Heal Thyself Reiki, talking to us about the benefits of this beautiful treatment. Oh, now I have received many Reiki treatments. I've given them myself as a practitioner. Explain to our audience what Reiki is.
So Reiki is basically an energy healing modality in Japanese ancient technique. It is used for relaxation, for stress relief, but also for self-awareness and to release energy blocks in the body.
What are some of the benefits that you find that your clients experience with and after their treatments?
I usually have clients tell me that they feel lighter, that they feel at ease, and it actually lowers blood pressure, and it helps with past traumas, with heartbreak, with grief, anything that's going on physically, mentally, or emotionally.
How often do you recommend people have a treatment?
In my opinion, if I have to put a number on it, I would say anywhere from 6 months to 12 months. Or if there's been an ailment or a trauma that has occurred, then definitely before that time, Reiki will ease and help them through that experience.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you for having me.
For more information, visit markandmandy.com.
Thanks for watching The Mark and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.